Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about chapter 2.19, which is plastic from Shikli Mechanical Engineering Design textbook. Okay, so I hope this video will give you some additional knowledge lah, from what you have learned in your class. Okay, uh, please refer to your respective professors. Okay, they know better. Okay. So about plastic. Okay, we know about plastic. We every day we deal with plastic. Okay, every day in our life, from our childhood and until now, we are dealing with plastic. Okay, what is plastic? Plastic are synthetic materials made from polymers, categorized as thermoplastic and thermosets. Okay, thermoplastic. The difference is thermoplastic is become moldable when heated and can be remolded multiple times without altering its properties. Okay, meaning that if you take any plastic, you heat it, it become melting, and you can mold it, and you put it in the normal atmosphere, normal temperature, it become solid. But the properties is still is plastic. Okay, it does not change its property. It does not change its property at all. Okay. About thermoset, it plastic undergo irreversible polymerization under heat and stress and cannot be remolded. Meaning that when you when you make it heat, it become melting, it become hardness, it become solid. It cannot be reversed back into plastic. Okay, that is called thermoset. Importance on in engineering, plastic can offer moldability, cost effectiveness, and impact strength, and suitable for diverse application. Of course, where you have seen it throughout your life, every day you are dealing with plastic. You see the plastic, you hold the plastic every day. Okay, you know what this mean by plastic. Okay, you use it every day. Thermoplastic and their characteristic. Okay, common thermoplastic example includes polyethylene, polypropylene, and polyvinyl chloride, okay, PPE, PP, and PVC. Properties of thermoplastic: it is a low cost, high moldability, corrosion resistant, and can be reshaped after heating. Application is used in automotive parts, household items, and packaging materials. For example, polypropylene is used in automotive bumpers due to high impact resistance and flexibility. You see your car bumper that is made from polypropylene. Okay. Thermoset. Okay. Thermoset plastic and the application. Thermoset characteristic is become hardened after molding, cannot be reshaped, and with high thermostability and strength. Okay. For example, epoxy, phenolics, and polyurethane. Application used in high strength application like electrical insulation and adhesive. Okay. Uh, Epoxy resin are widely used in adhesive for construction due to strong bonding. Okay. And consideration for when you are selecting plastic, of course, the cost, economic viability of plastic is a key factor in selection. Moldability determines how easily the plastic can be shaped during manufacturing. Wear resistant, the plastic can with low coefficient of friction are more resistant to wear. Okay. Impact strength, the high impact strength is crucial for protective and structural components. Talking about plastic, everyone is talking about environmental factors, about the plastic waste. Uh, we cannot be recycled naturally. It takes years. It takes decades to for plastic to degradable. Okay. So things about this lah, about plastic. So use plastic wisely lah. Okay, use plastic wisely. Okay. Can recycle it as much as you can. Okay. So that's all for the video right now. Inshallah we meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.